Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to verify your Google Gemini model version. So to know that, you have just to go to the Google Gemini app, and there is multiple places to verify that. First one, you have to click on the bottom of the screen. As you can see, there is an icon and it's written on it fast. You have just to click on it, and as you can see in the bottom of the screen, as you can see, you are using the Google Gemini 3.1, and also you can click on the icon on the top right of the screen, and here also sometimes they show you the version of the Gemini that you are using. And the most easy way to know is to click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that go to updates, and by looking here you will know which version of Google Gemini you are using. So for example, here it tells you that the last model that everyone are using is the Gemini 3.1 Pro. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see